Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. As you can see, we are trying to put in that little bit of a reprieve bounce after that deadly drop on Friday, but we are starting to look a little weak. We are coming into our first EMA around 20,500. This is the area I was talking about yesterday. We would like to take shorts. Also on ETH, if we can close above 20,500, the next level of resistance will be 21.5, which is $1,000 increment. And I think this was 22,000. Yeah, so it's 1,000. So watch out on Bitcoin. We have at least $1,000 ranges per resistance area. So don't go too high leverage, otherwise you will get burned. If we can close above 20,600 today, we can look for that 21.5 coming into the middle of the week. But more than likely, it looks like we're gonna find some resistance and roll over. Even though market is going up, I don't have that much confidence of too much more upside. I think at around 21.5, we will find resistance to come to the downside. Worst case scenario, go to 22.6, but even then, it's going to be a lower high and making a head and shoulders setup. So it's not the most exciting situation, but soon, maybe after we go sideways here for a few days, we can look for that pickup to the top side. Um, right now, I think we need to give Bitcoin some time to find support and confirm support. So as long as we can close above yesterday's daily, that's a good thing. If we can claim the 21 EMA, that's even better. Aside from that, it's going to be some time. Here's the 4-hour. Already we had one attempt and got rejected to go to the upside. Here's our second attempt. Getting rejected here is not that big of a surprise, but going sideways would be great to give us an opportunity to get a little bit higher. But I do think around 20,800 could get tapped before the final push down. But as soon as you start having 4-hour opening closes under 20,300, you know that downside is more likely. So keep that in mind for Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum now. And I know these videos are getting a lot quicker due to the fact that membership is gonna finally be closing up and all the paid members will be getting brand new type of material as I continue these daily videos for everyone else for free forever. So no worries on that aspect. Here we are on daily on Ethereum. We're testing into the resistance right now. The good thing is the EMAs are kind of in a posture where the 21 EMA can pop up above 1650 and look for higher. So we have to see, is this going to get accumulated or not? If we have a daily close above 16,050, we can look for next day or next week to continue to the upside. Sorry about that, guys. And here, let's go to the 4-hour, quickly look. All right, and now on the 4-hour, as you can see, we are coming into that resistance at that 55 EMA. It was already expected anyway. What we want to see is if we can hold above 1550 for the close. As long as we can hold 1550 on Ethereum, we can look for sideways and up. Crossing under the 1550 with 4-hour open and closes, we're going to be probably testing the downside. So on the daily, it looked good. So we're going to wait for the daily close. On the 4-hour, it looks like we have some downside to come. And right now, volume to the downside is slowing down. So we can look for a like support bounce around 1500-ish and go from there and see if we can actually reclaim this, because this is just a little bit of a pullback. Somebody steps up and we buy this up, this could be a little cup and handle kind of situation. And yeah, it could just go a little handle and then bust out. So yeah, that is Ethereum for you guys. Be careful. We are in some volatile times this week. We are kind of needing to wait and see how this weekly closes, because we're looking at all these lower time frames, but if you look at the weekly, weekly looks like we're under the 200 and looking like this is where we're going to find resistance for downside. If you look at the monthly, it's also looking very precarious, as in, yeah, we did pop off the low, but this month just got rejected off the 21. If we close under this 55 next month, as soon as September opens, I'm expecting us to just flush down. So be very, very careful on that level, on that aspect. I think the shorts are not out of the woods yet because the volume is still there. So that's the monthly view. Here's the weekly. Weekly looks like we're trying to put in a rally to the 21, but we're finding resistance already at the 200 because the 21 rejected us once. If we close under this 200 this week, the next week I'm expecting us to go look for lower. I don't know why we wouldn't. And I think, yeah, this is the end of the month basically coming up. So let me look at Bitcoin real quick on a weekly. So Bitcoin is even worse on the weekly, which is to be expected. Oh man. So here's your Bitcoin monthly. How is this bullish? Where does anyone see the bullishness? Please explain this to me. In 1 day and 12 hours, this candle is going to close here. The only saving grace will be the next candle opening and testing back into the 21. Well, I don't think volume-wise, anything can happen. Volume is subsiding to the downside. So, I mean, next candle can open and we can look for upside, but this candle just looks so bad that I don't know why we would not test into this level right here. Into 14,000 to 12.5. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm gonna leave these here for me to look at later. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you guys had a great day. I hope everyone's staying safe. We are closing the free members side tomorrow, I believe, at the end of the day. So if you have any questions, concerns, or other things you would like to look at, please feel free to reach out on the Discord section on the bottom of the comments. You will be able to get all that information from me before I focus solely on the paid members to get them into a much more profitable trading pattern, and that way they can help me go to the next group after we get them to where they need to be. So I can have a group of people to help me take on some additional people to help. Other than that, guys, be safe. Stay sturdy. The market is coming into a very, very interesting stance. I mean, this is a great buy area if this support held. If we lose this support, then we're going to go all the way down here. So this is, this is going to be great. All right, guys, be safe. Enjoy your day today. Feel free to ask any questions or concerns. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button for notifications. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in the section below. We have our Discord group in the comment section of this video, so feel free to go down there and look in the details of this video, and you'll find the Discord group invite to feel free to chat with me real time and trade with me real time. And yeah, good stuff. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Be safe.